Red Dogs Roofing was founded in 2012. It was built on generations of experience in the roofing industry. Our passion for the industry and desire to make positive changes throughout our local communities has enabled us to create an amazing environment for our employees. We have built a team that has passion for providing great customer experience from start to finish. This is created through teamwork, honesty, transparency, and great communication. Our history has given us the foundation needed to plan for an incredible future, and we want you along for the ride. The roofing industry is growing rapidly and is creating an immense opportunity for people with no experience to jump in, make a great living, and impact the community around them. The Red Dogs Way will provide you with an opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. For every employee, we offer one-on-one mentorship, healthcare coverage, expert training to accelerate your newly acquired trade skills, and personal growth and development training. Our commitment to our employees is so strong, we've seen entry-level positions move up into management and executive level positions at Red Dogs Roofing. We build from within. We have a big vision for the future, and we need to raise up the next generation of leaders in the roofing industry to help us get there. Our mission is to grow the skilled workforce and give back to the communities that support us. If you want to be a part of this mission, Red Dogs Roofing wants to connect with you.